Welcome back. In today's video, we're comparing Perplexity AI Pro with the free version so you can decide whether the $20 per month upgrade is actually worth it. Let's kick things off with Perplexity AI Pro. The Pro plan allows you to handle more advanced workflows using Perplexity Computer, making it easier to create reports, documents, and even simple applications. You'll also get access to newer and more powerful AI models that are optimized for better accuracy, including options like Gemini 3.1 Pro, Sonar, and Claude Sonnet 4.6, among others. Another major advantage is enhanced data sourcing. Pro users can tap into deeper research through Perplexity's index, including premium financial and scientific databases such as PitchBook and Wiley. On top of that, the usage limits are more generous, making the Pro plan a strong choice for professionals dealing with detailed or high-priority tasks. Now, let's talk about the free plan. It's a great option for everyday use. You can still ask questions, get AI-powered responses, and perform basic research without paying anything. That said, it doesn't include access to premium models, advanced automation tools, or exclusive data sources. The free version works best for students, casual users, or anyone who only needs occasional assistance. So, is the $20 monthly Pro plan worth it? If you regularly work with complex information, need higher accuracy, or want access to advanced tools, then upgrading makes sense. But if your needs are simple and occasional, the free plan should be more than enough. That wraps up this comparison. Pick the option that matches your needs and budget, and make the most out of your AI tools. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.